junior operator on the TVN team of Storm Chasers. I've been out of school for 2 years. Best job I've ever had. Oh, sequence.
Yeah, he pretty much is a ninja. I don't think he understands it. My favorite ninja moment of his, brilliant. We're getting ready to roll. We're out in some farmland somewhere. And I turn around to ask Robert something, and he was gone. I swear, like a second ago, he was in the car. The door didn't open. And I'm like, Robert? And Marion's looking around for Robert, and we're looking at each other. Where'd he go? And he was on the roof of the car.
You've gotten really good at jumping out of the car window.
Yeah. Sometimes not as good as I'd like. Sometimes I feel like I'm not as smooth as I want to be. I could do it a little bit smoother.
In terms of like you're physically demanding, it's kind of the tougher job you've done.
Yeah, but it's also so much fun. Like, it's just so much fun. It's like, when people talk about working out, I feel like my job's to work out.
He's a warrior. I'll tell you what, Robert captures footage that not many people can capture. And he was, he's kind of Chris Whiteneck's understudy. Chris Whiteneck trained him, in the previous show and said, hey, you should try this show, Storm Chasers. You'll love it. And I think Robert, is addicted to storm chasing now. And he loves it. And after every storm chase, he thanks us for the experience and everything. And I think he just loves what he's doing. And that's what makes him so good at his job.
Chris Whiteneck has instilled foreground. So that's why I'm always on the, very interactive and trying to always get things in my foreground, to paint the picture of where the Dominator's at. We go to so many different states, and every state has a look. So I just shoot as much as I can to just show the Dominator going all across America.